Before we were hailed the trenches, we were labeled ghetto, street hood, a place where not much good was expected and little protection was offered to us who had blackness in common. North Philadelphia, we are blacks educating blacks about sexual health issues, an acronym we have outlived and now surpassed. We are better known as Bebashi. Together, we are greater as one. Yes, one, as in number one, as in first, as in the first of its, this kind, when you rewind time back. The first org declaring war on AIDS Philly was blacks, educating blacks about sexual health issues, let history show. Many more are coming through our doors with bags full of need, spirits broken by this system. Either way, it's not our right to judge, but our duty to be the bridge, to wedge the gap, to fill the need. Come through our doors as if we are family. We will clothe you, help you find a place to live and stabilize. As the pages turn, always remember, we are a vessel moving greater together as one. I am humbled and honored to be here on the front line. There are no small parts to our big vision. Through every position, we're a movement, a mission. We are the transition to hope.
Bebashi was birthed out of the HIV/AIDS epidemic in 1985. There was a group of people who were being ignored that had needs. They had health needs, primarily Black and brown individuals who were HIV positive. I am very, very proud of the work that we do every day. We have absolutely no qualms with touching people that other people don't want to touch. We're always open, we're always available, and it makes us really, really unique. We're committed to the very person that everyone else wants to turn their back on. So Bebashi serves everybody.
They care about the community. Anybody who has a need, no matter what it is, how old, how young, straight, gay, all of those areas are needed. And they welcome anybody and everybody with open arms.
With us opening our own clinic, our own wellness center, we're actually serving way more people who are HIV negative than we are people who are HIV positive.
I like to think of us as kind of like a frontline, health clinic for the community. We offer free and confidential HIV and STI testing. We're also a vaccination site in Philadelphia, so we've been big on the Mpox front. We've identified pregnancies that people didn't know they had, and then once we're doing that, then we're starting them on prenatal vitamins and getting them the appropriate care. We've been getting into substance use disorder and drug maintenance. So really what the clinic does is we take all comers and we try to treat you the best we can. We're providing just high-level evidence-based practice.
How are you? How are you?
Bebashi, in my words, would be the best wellness clinic for LGBTQ community. A lot of us guys don't like to go get checkups. It's important for Bebashi to have the free testing because a lot of people feel like if they don't have insurance, they can't get any help. They're offering services to us as the community where some people might turn up a nose. I talk about them all the time. Tell them Tony sent you.
We want people to know that we're more than just HIV, we're more than just sexual health. We actually are overall health, and we're invested in making sure that people are healthy and they have the education and the resources that they need in order to be healthy.
We also are able to help our clients get IDs or just like state-issued documents that show that they're who they are, so it'll just be an easier process for them to get whatever they need in the instance that they can't come here and they need to go to a pharmacy or something like that.
Or you can start your shopping.
Our food pantry, which was our smallest program, it was initially established to give support to people who were HIV positive, who were food insecure, and now it's everybody.
Our mission here is to connect people to a healthier life, whether it be connection to the services that they need or just what they put into their body.
Okay, thank you so much.
What better than to couple food with music? In a sexual health organization, I mean, the three things people love most. If you offer food, then you can offer a conversation like, have you been tested? Do you know your status? What do you know about HIV? What do you know about your own health? Do you have a primary care physician? how about coming in and seeing our folks and just getting your blood pressure checked? So it's the gateway to the other services that we provide.
Piazzolla is like king of the tango, and I just wanted some like fun music to go along with this place that does great work.
So we wanted to choose some music that is light, for like moving your foot while you listen to the music, and also Bernstein with this arrangement by Carol. That was something that surprised me, trying to emulate the jazz from New Orleans.
We've had clients who have said, I had given up and really didn't think that there was a way forward. The case manager sat down and looked me in my eye, talked with me about all that was going on in my life, and then helped me imagine that I could live a productive life, go forward. That is when you see, wow, this is amazing work that the organization does.
Anywhere in the city, if there's an event or an activity going on, Bebashi is there. The one thing the city knows is that they can count on us.
We are boots on the ground. We have a mobile unit. We're out in these areas. We offer testing. We send one of our medical providers who has a background in addiction, drug addiction.
We go out once a week and we park up where we think it might be a heavy population, whether we're in North Philly or West Philly or just around the city. We're just trying to educate people about what we do. The goal of us going out is to come across HIV positives and connect them to care, or any STIs that we see and they need care. We try to get them to come down to our office.
Seeing the organization implement the trans necessity closet to me was amazing.
It's something that caters to our transgender, non-binary, and gender non-conforming clients. Basically just letting them remain autonomous over what they wear and making them feel safe to be able to make a choice about what they're putting on their body, whether they don't feel safe going into a department store and shopping in a section that they identify with. It's just like a little boutique.
We all know that music is therapeutic. Movement is therapeutic. And again, going back to folks who have not felt heard, music is a way for people to express themselves. And who better to represent us than the orchestra? I was like, what a partnership. I'm glad they felt the energy that we felt about them.
It's been really awesome getting to see this whole place. I mean, there's so much going on here. It's really a one-stop shop. So I'm really glad to be here and see it for myself. And yeah, play some music here.
You see that smile, that glow in the eyes. That's the first thing you see. Not just, well, that's why I see that joy in that case. It's not just a job to do. You're doing what you love to do.
I've never worked with a group of people who were so dedicated. We were open during COVID and most people closed their doors, and Wawa was open and so was Bebashi.
We're all working towards the same goal. Stuff happens every day that amazes me, makes me proud to work for Bebashi.
Once you meet the team, once you meet the staff, their passion, it's infectious, that you then feel like you want to be a part of helping to create something along with them.
I can't say enough that I appreciate the people who keep the doors open every day, and that's Bebashi staff. We've been in the same location for over 25 years. So we are moving to the University City area, which is really, really exciting. We will still have a footprint at 12th and Spring Garden because the community knows us to be there, but we are expanding.
A new facility just creates so much opportunity that will help around the possibilities for program, expanding the staff, and being able to step into places maybe previously we weren't able to.
Sky's the limit. We're moving here. We're in the new space. This is where the clinic is going to be. It's clay. It's a big lump of clay that we're going to mold into a high-quality health center.
Our clinic was one of the reasons that we needed more space because we just have so many people wanting healthcare through us because we are culturally sensitive, because we respond to the things that are the needs of the city in terms of health. We aren't just here for the moment, we're here for the long haul. So why not expand? Who better to expand and to address your issues than somebody who understands it, who is committed to making sure that it's better for you, and who makes good use of the few resources that we're actually afforded.
I think our vibe is amazing. We care about people, so that's important. Like Philadelphia is the brotherly love and sisterly affection, and I think we emulate that here.
I have never experienced nothing like this, so I think that's what drew me to Bebashi. Just understanding that they really care for the community, making sure that, like I said, our health and our wellness is up to par and we're on top of it. They are definitely pushing that information to get people to understand and be more aware of this LGBT-friendly office that can actually look out for us.
We want to be the organization that is providing the service to the people who are most at risk. And that tends to be the population that most organizations are like, everybody but them. The everybody but them are our people. We're like, we got you. Let's get you what you need. Let's figure out how we can provide you the service that you need. Yep.